Hello, my name is Darshan M Wankhade and I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I hold Master of Business Administration in Business Analytics, which I completed in 2024 from PIBM, Tirupati Institute of Business Management, Pune. I also hold Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, which I completed in 2020 from Amravati University. Prior to this, I work as a JSPM production manager at JSPM Production and as a data analytics intern at Apex Consultancy, Pune. After completing my education, I was looking for the opportunity and I got to know about Evision Technoserve, an IT recruiting and consulting company through one of my friend. I joined their online internship program under the guidance of IT managers and administrators. During my training program, I expertise in many technologies like basic networking fundamentals, virtualization, Windows administration, what is Windows Server, CCNA, cybersecurity. These all things I learned in the training. In networking fundamentals, I learn about the networking devices, what is network, their types, OSI models, 7 layers of OSI models. I learned deeply about that, all basic fundamentals things. Apart from this, in the second, talking about the second model, I learn about the virtualization, how to create virtual machines, multiple virtual machines on the VMware workstation, Oracle VirtualBox, Hypervisor, and Hyper-V. In Windows administration, I learn Windows troubleshooting, Office 365, Windows workgroup management. These all things I learn, and I would like to express my gratitude to my teachers for their fabulous guidance and knowledge. I gain expertise and strong confidence in that technical strong hand in that technical skills, and I'm eager to bring my knowledge at any organization. Thank you so much, Evision, for providing the wonderful platform for the students and the job seekers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.